Hi guys, Justin here from The Guy Who Reviews, and today I have some unboxing for you. I got the Belkin grip graphics for the iPod Touch 4th generation, and I've also got the flip lid case from iAcoustic. Okay, I think this is only for Australia. Okay, let's get it started. Okay. Little bit of trouble. Okay, as you can see, it's reclosable and enclosable. It'll come with this smooth smooth case. It won't grip out of your hands, and it is durable. It has durable materials, and it is shock absorbent. Okay, it will come with this thing, and it comes with this no screen shield or anything. That's kind of a bummer. Okay, it comes with this. It's a perfect fit. Okay. Now let's go with the iAcoustic. It will come with this video stand and the case itself. It'll open like this. And it comes with this fake dummy, and it comes with a screen shield, some instructions, we'll be needing those, and a cleaning cloth. Okay, let's test both of these cases on the iPod Touch itself. Okay, perfect fit on the Belkin grip graphics. I'll do a review soon. Okay, let's try another one. You slide it through, and it goes like this. And if you want to close it, just reapply, and there you go. As you can see from my previous video, the iPod Touch 4th generation has been jailbroken, but the tool hasn't been released yet. Okay. I'll be posting a video link down there. Okay, and see you guys, and hope more. See ya.